Once upon a time, there was a highly skilled carpenter. For 40 years, he had been building beautiful houses, each one a masterpiece. Everyone admired his work, and no one in the city could match his craftsmanship. He had been working for the same company for 4 decades. Now, at the age of 60, he decided it was time to retire. So, he went to his boss and said, "Sir, I've worked with full dedication for 40 years. I've built homes with my heart and soul, but now I think it's time for me to retire." The boss listened carefully, then replied, "You've been our finest carpenter. But before you go, I have one last project, a very important house. I want you to build it. After that, you're free to retire." The carpenter was disappointed. He had come with the hope of resting, not to take on another job, but after working with the boss for 40 years, he couldn't say no. Reluctantly, he agreed. He began working on the final house, but his heart wasn't in it. He used cheaper materials, skipped the finer details, and did everything just to get it done. It was nothing like his previous work. In fact, it was the worst house he had ever built. When the project was finally completed, he handed the keys to his boss, but the boss smiled, gave the keys back to him, and said, "This house is my gift to you. After all your years of loyalty and hard work, I wanted to do something special. This home is yours." The carpenter stood there, speechless. If only I had known this house was meant for me. I would have built it with all my heart, with all the love and care I'm known for. This story teaches us that every decision should be made thoughtfully, so we don't regret it in the future. So whatever work we do, we should do it with honesty and give it our very best.